Do you know that chicken feet is considered a delicacy in many Asian countries? If you're looking for some perfect munchies to take along to a football match, consider making one of these awesome chicken feet recipes that I share in this video. Let's begin!
Helen's recipes!
Let's start with a Thai-style chicken feet salad. First, rinse the chicken feet with cooking wine and ginger to remove the smell. Then cut off the nails. Bring a saucepan of water to a boil, add some salt and ginger. Add the chicken feet and cook for about 5 minutes, then transfer to an ice water bowl. Then cut the chicken feet into 3 parts. Next, in a large mortar and pestle, crush 3 bird-eye chilies with a tablespoon of sugar. Then add some salted field crabs. It's made from small freshwater crabs found in rice paddies. The whole crab is fermented in salt water to produce a briny seasoning sauce. Break in half and crush well. Squeeze in some limes or calamansi juice. Add fish sauce and long string beans, which I have cut into shorter lengths. Crush gently so the beans can absorb the sauce. Chop up some sawtooth herbs and add it in. Cut a fresh tomato into smaller chunks and add in. Also add the cooked chicken feet and some shredded green papaya. Toss well, cover and refrigerate for about 1 hour so the chicken feet have time to absorb all that great flavors from the sauce. Serve with a sprinkle of roasted peanuts. It's sweet, sour and spicy, very typical flavors of Thai cuisine. Next recipe is the Vietnamese style fried chicken feet in fish sauce. Very simple but super addicting. Prepare the chicken feet the same way as in the previous recipe, then cut in half. Drain well and combine in a container with 100 grams of tapioca starch. Toss well to coat and deep fry until golden brown. Then transfer and let rest on a rack to drain off the excess oil. Add a tablespoon of oil in a large wok, then saute 2 tablespoons of minced garlic until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons fish sauce and a tablespoon sugar, a tablespoon of chili sauce, and half a cup of water. Bring to a boil and simmer until thickened, then toss in the chicken feet. Add some onion wedges and chopped scallion. Toss well to coat. To add nicer aroma, you can deep fry some lime leaves and toss together. It's such an incredible snack to take with beer. Street food lovers in Vietnam keep on raving about this spicy grilled chicken feet. After prepping, use kitchen shears to make a long cut from the leg to the foot bottom. Bring a large saucepan of water to a boil, add some cooking wine and ginger. Blend the chicken feet for about 2 to 3 minutes to remove the bad smells. Peel and crush half a head of garlic, then squeeze to extract the garlic juice. Then combine the garlic juice with a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of minced chilies, a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of stock powder, a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a dash of cooking wine and mix well. Combine with the blend chicken and toss well, then cover and refrigerate for about 1 hour. You can grill over charcoal or in an air fryer for about 10 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. Then add a tablespoon of red pepper flakes to the remaining marinade and brush all over the chicken feet. This way the chicken feet will not be dry and has a really beautiful red and shiny look. Grill for another 3 to 5 minutes and serve with some Vietnamese mint and cucumber. It's so incredibly tasty that you're gonna ask for more. This mysterious black chicken feet recipe could be a great munchies with beer for the gentlemen, but could also be served with hot steamed rice as a tasty side dish. After prepping the chicken feet, I toss them with tapioca starch and deep fry until golden brown. Next, saute some minced garlic and ginger until fragrant and toss well with the fried chicken feet. Lower the heat and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of black bean sauce. You can use either the Chinese black bean sauce or the Korean ones, like I do. It will come out really black, like a mystery. Now add a cup of water and bring to a boil. Mix a teaspoon of tapioca starch with water and slowly pouring to thicken the sauce. Transfer to a bowl and then steam. in a pressure cooker for about 30 minutes. Then serve with a sprinkle of chopped scallion and green chili slices. My son calls this chicken feet of the blackest dye because it looks pretty scary, but it was so yummy that he finished it all. So cute, right? I hope you are in love with chicken feet after watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this, and we'll see you then next time. Bye!